Okay, we're making a little Blake video, but Blake, your glasses are on upside down. You have to flip them over. Good. Take them off and then flip them over like this and put them on again. That's right. Now push them up to your eyes. Good job. How did they make the room look?
Dark.
Dark. What are the sunglasses for? When do we wear our sunglasses?
Sunny.
When it's sunny, that's right. Do they stay on your face nicely?
The back of sunglasses.
That's right. When the sun comes out, you can wear the sunglasses.
From over here.
There you go.
It's dark. Should I run the dining room?
Do you want to turn on the light in the dining room so you could wear your sunglasses over there?
And run over there.
The light over the mantle needs to go on. The mantle is the counter that's on top of the fireplace.
That's